Okay, you're right. Welcome to your video tutorial on quadrilaterals. Today we're going to have a look at what quadrilaterals are and how we can work out their interior angles. Okay, closed two-dimensional shapes with straight sides are called polygons, and they're classified by their number of sides. So the first concept is any shape that is two-dimensional, so it's not 3D, and it has straight lines is called a polygon, okay? Polygons are classified by their number of sides. Quadrilateral is a type of polygon, and quadrilaterals have 4 sides, okay? The sum of their interior angles is equal to 360. So while we were looking at triangles, they were 180, quadrilaterals are 360. So using that piece of information, what do we have to do to prove that we know this? Well, let's look at some examples. It says find the value of angle ADC. Now, if I look at this diagram, there's A, there's D, there's C. So I'm looking at the angle in here, okay, this little guy there. What do I know? Well, I know that this here is 110 and I have two 90s. So first off, I need to go 110 plus 90 plus 90. 110 plus 90 is 200. 200 plus 90 is 290. So altogether, the other angles I have are 290. Now I know that the interior angles of a quadrilateral, which this is, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it has 4 sides and it's a closed shape, so it must be a quadrilateral. I know the interior angles equal 360. So in order to work out angle ADC is going to be equal to 360 minus 290, which would get me 70 degrees. Now let's look at my triangle. Does it look, my quadrilateral, sorry. Does it look like it could be 70 degrees? Well, 90 degrees would be there, and it looks a bit less. So yeah, my answer seems like it looks like it could be correct. That's what I want you to do. I always want you to look at something and see, does it look like it could be right? Another example here, okay? I have a closed shape, okay? There's no openings anywhere on it. It's two-dimensional and it has 4 sides, so it's a quadrilateral. And it says find the value of the pronumeral in the following diagram. Okay, I notice there's 2 pronumerals. There's one here and one here. They both have the same letter. They both have T, which tells me that they must be equal. So, what other information do I have? Well, this guy here is 75 and that guy there is 85. So 75 plus 85 is equal to 70 plus 80 is 150 plus 5 plus 5 is 160. Okay, now what's left over? Well, that's those 2. So if I go 360 minus 160, I get an answer of 200. Now, what does that 200 represent? Well, that 200 represents both of these together, okay? Because 200 is what's left over if I subtract that and that from 360. It's both of them together. So to find T by itself, that's 200 divided by 2. So T equals 100 degrees. And that's it, guys. That's interior angles of a quadrilateral.